But doon sa, right at the start of the boundary where the millings are started, the water there is not clear. It is not brown. It is black. Your 1 peso will win 1 million from me if I am lying. O gusto mo, isama ko kayo bukas doon. Ngayon, pag tinarget na yung mga gagong NPA na yan, na problema natin yan lahat. Sabay-sabay na lang tayo. Bakante ang presidency, bakante ang senado, pati ang congressman. Pero totoo yan. You should visit them. Even the first spade, even the first spadeful of earth that you extract and throw it away of no use, tabi mo lang yan dyan because it's an open pit. You dig and dig and dig. Is already the first spader is de-decreation of Mother Earth. Ano ang isa pang galit sa mining? Si Speaker. He comes from a mining town but he hates mining. Ako naman, kasi mga kaibigan ko yung iba, yung mga classmate ko, mga vice president ng mining, punta sila dito, but I use this, it reduces into something, the damage that you have caused. It's not about our friendship. It's not about years of being in the same room. It's not being fraternity brothers. But it is something that gano'n yan Alam mo yung martial law, I'm not so much endeavor sabihin ninyo na hindi nyo ibigay, okay lang. Wala akong problema dyan. Baski sabihin nyo na tama na, then I will still fight. The way I will fight the war. If it is not acceptable to the normal of civilian conduct, then I am sorry. Because I am not fighting a civilian war. I am stopping violence and rebellion. Hindi talaga ako. Ibigay man ninyo, hindi pala sa akin, wala. Because ako, I do not intend to go beyond my term. Si Matarabak, mas gusto ko mang barilin ako doon sa likod. Dito. Hindi masyado ako itong bilib itong trabaho ito. Akala ko, bilib ako. Pagdating ko, alitse. Sakit ng ulo. Ito na kayong kuha, nakikinig kayo. Wala akong pinirmahan ni isa. Putang ina. Nga pagparap, pagkain, hindi pagkain kung kayo sa opisina, bayaran ninyo yan. Maglabas ako, I do not collect anything. I do not remember, I do not sign anything there until now. Wala akong allowance, wala akong tinatanggap lahat except my salary. Tapos 2 pamilya pa ang maghati. Ano mo sama yan? Sige, pagpagpag dyan. Lahat naman tayo. I can count by not even the 2 hands. 1 hand lang na exempted sa rule na yan. 2, 3, 4, 5. Talukuhin ninyo ako. Ba tayo pa ba maglukuhan? Just because this is Congress, it's supposed to be a secret. Wala kayo itong mga to. Pareho kami lahat yan. Ayaw pa tumawa. Pag kunwari. So, I will increase the taxes. Then I will think of something that will compensate or make up for the damage. Or at least the income restored. Yeah, otherwise, I'll have to stop mining. I will ask you to stop it. It's not good. We are a small group of islands. Hindi naman marami. Di coastal, marami yan. Kasi maraming paikot-ikot. But if you put in a contiguous territory, maliit lang tayo. And yet, we must remember that there are so many billions of the future generations waiting in the stratosphere. Ang gusto ninyo para hindi na kayo magdamay, huminto na kayo ng ano. Don't let us go to, because this is not in here. How about the billions and billions and billions of Filipinos that will come after us? Kawawa naman. They'll have to scratch Mother Earth to eat. By this time, kung walang upheaval, no regeneration will occur. We are almost like talagang ginagano natin maliit na lang ang makuha nila. Ba't maawa naman kayo? Makikita mo yung apo mo kung ganun mo na lang embrace mo yung apo mo sa pangalawang asawa. Yung isang ganun rin. Diba? Diba, sir? Suntukin kita dyan ngayon, liar ka. Finally, let me make this appeal to those directly engaged in mining. Declare your correct income, pay your correct taxes. Believe me, your failure to do so will be your undoing and eventual ruin. Hindi na ako makatakbo, matanda na ako. I don't think I'd even survive the 5 years. Pero pagka sinabi ko, upakan talaga kita. To our employees and officials, the LGUs tasked with monitoring these mining operations within their territorial jurisdictions, do your job without fear or favor. Absolutely responsible you for any misdeed or failure in the mining entities that do not comply or comply with the guidelines, rules, and regulations governing mining operations and activities within your area of responsibility. I mean it. Do not try to test my resolve. Absolutely, I have nothing to lose except my life. While we can control the acts of man, no one can control to stop on the fury and the rampage of weather, gone wild. When nature fights back, it does so with a vengeance. We have seen that the terrible toll that the super typhoon Yolanda and the succeeding typhoons exacted in terms of human life and property. And we still have to recover from the beating that we got both during and in the aftermath of those mega typhoons. Aside from droughts, tempests, and other problems, taking ship, which according to the OST Philbox, it is no longer just a distant possibility, but a probability earthquakes. The series of damaging quakes in Leyte, Surigao, and nearby provinces and islands attest to this. We were told that it is no longer a question of if, but a matter of when. Thus, we need to act decisively and fast because the threat is huge, real, and imminent. Come to think of it, really. Is there, they say that there is no perfect instrument or human acumen can really predict earthquakes. I hope it will not come. Kasi kung magdating, sabi dito lang yung big one, I hope it could be just in the mountains and in the rural areas. Because if it's right, sabihin nila, tinatakot nila ang dito in this speech. I reviewed it last night. I am calling both houses of Congress to expeditiously draft a law establishing a new authority or department that is responsive to the prevailing 21st century conditions and empower with